How to delete contacts in Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete contacts in Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if I open the Telegram application here, and if I tap the three lines option from here and then go to the option called contacts, here you can see it will show me a list of all the contacts that are synced from my contacts on my phone. So if I would like to delete these contacts so that they wouldn't appear on my Telegram, just come back, tap the three lines option again, and this time go to the option called settings. Once you come to settings, here you'll find all this sorts of information where you have to go to privacy and security. When you go to privacy and security, you might want to scroll down over here and you'll find this option called contacts. The first thing you want to check is to simply disable both of these options here. Once you disable these options, tap on delete sync contacts, tap on delete. All the contacts that have been synced so far on your Telegram account will get deleted. So now if I show you my contacts option, you can see those contacts are no longer located over here. And this way you can delete contact in Telegram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.